Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are building a new Frozen 2 set today, and for one reason only. Because it's got a baby reindeer in it. Look at this reindeer. Okay, so apart from the baby reindeer, the rest of it will be very fun. I promise it'll be very fun. It is a 4+ set, which means it's going to be really super easy to put together. It's got a baby reindeer in it, and it's got Sven, and it's got Elsa. So, the baby reindeer. So, we've got Elsa, I'm focusing. We've got Elsa in the outfit that we saw her wearing in which one? Oh, that was a lot of ins. Oh, in the jewelry box set. There we go. My brain exploded there for a moment. So exactly the same. She needs her cape, and I have to put the sparkles on outwards. I just had to check the instructions to make sure I knew which way they were going. Here's her new smirky face, which I don't love, but I do like her outfit. I particularly like her top. You could use that for like an ice skating outfit. We need a different bottom, but it looks fantastic. Okay, Elsa is ready. She's joined by Sven. He's got like a permanently happy face on. And it's not for biting Elsa's arm. It's not what it's for. It's actually so you can fit a carrot in his mouth, not for biting arms. And he has got a saddle blankety thing, which is removable so that he can wear a harness because, I failed to mention what the actual set was called. This is Elsa's Wagon adventure. So she's off on an adventure with a wagon. But baby reindeer is so blinking cute. Look at the little tiny tail, little rubbery antlers. I have no idea what the deal is with this baby reindeer, but it's so adorable. Let's give Sven a carrot, and Sven can share this carrot. We'll shove that in his mouth. He can share this carrot with the baby reindeer who doesn't... I don't even know what this reindeer's name is. This is like torture. He's so adorable. I know nothing about what's going on yet because I haven't seen the movie because it's not currently available. Okay, let's build the wagon. So the wagon comes in... Well, we got 2 big major pieces there that we put together, and now we need to put on the other pieces, obviously. Otherwise, it's not going to go together at all. And we'll see how it all fits together and what sort of cool things we get to add to this. And then I have no idea how it actually fits into the story. We could put Elsa maybe on that little stud there, but I don't think that's how she's supposed to be. This is a really nice little printed piece. This is another thing that I love about the 4+ sets, or they used to be called the junior sets. One, that they're really quick and easy to build and you can get in and play with them. And because they have printed pieces. These are gorgeous. I love the colours. And there's a nice big crate in there. So I wonder what the crate is for. Maybe for her to carry supplies off on her caravan, her wagon adventure. And this is holding everything in at the back, and I don't know what's going on in the front here. Oh, this is okay. So this is where there's seating for 2. So Elsa and Sven can... No, what am I saying? Sven cannot actually sit up there. And you know what's very strange? It's strange that we haven't smoothed off her seat, so she has to sit on all these bumps. That's very unusual for a mini doll set. Okay, so anyway, I'll be back to focusing. We've got wheels now. We need to put this little ball joint on here to harness Sven to the wagon. I think it's nice that Sven is setting out on this adventure with Elsa. They've obviously got some things to do that that Elsa could only do alone, except she gets to go with Sven. I have no idea what's going on. I really wish I did. But this is cute. So we can store the carrot over here. That's it. That's all that is in that crate. And the wagon is ready. And we can put the little baby reindeer on the back. And then we get bag number 2, which is... Actually, I don't know what bag number 2 is. Let's see. So we have a purple square. And on that, we have got, very nice printed matte kind of thing. And... it looks like Elsa might be setting out on a picnic. She's got a nice comfy... Why would she be setting out on a picnic with Sven? Maybe these are her supplies. So this is when she needs to stop and have a rest. She's got something to drink and she's got a cup. And there is nothing in that basket. Like, what's she going to eat? There's no food. Where's the food? This is a rubbish picnic. She looks comfortable there. She's got something to drink, which I suppose is important. There's some hay. There's even some hay here for Sven. But there's no food for Elsa. That's just odd. Why would you go out on a picnic with no food? Maybe she has to forage for her own food. I feel as though I'm diverging a bit from what food! From what we're actually supposed to be doing. So there is a cookie now in this present. There's a present. What's the present for? I'm totally confused. So there's a cookie in this very lovely present, which obviously she's not supposed to eat because it's present. But thankfully there's a spare cookie. So now she's got some food as long as the baby reindeer doesn't eat that. Alright, very baffled about this set, but the baby reindeer is so cute. Let's see what piece here is going to be creating... Okay, oh, we've got some... I'm very much loving all the autumnal foliage, including this printed piece with the aspen trees in the back, with the... Or are they birch trees? I actually don't know what they are. Are they birch trees? Birch trees. I think they're birch trees. Are aspen trees and birch trees different? What's different about them? I don't know. We got an entirely... We got this tree that... It's like I prepared this earlier, but I didn't. It's just like one big solid piece, and there's a hiding spot behind here. We could put the present here. We could hide the present here. They could play hide and seek with the present. Or they could play hide and seek with the baby reindeer who has his head sticking out there. It's not very good hide and seek. Okay, alright, so this is there's a little patched overhang here. So, and it's under the tree. It's lovely. Oh, and that's for the hay, apparently. I really liked it when it was a hiding place for the present. And we got a feed bag over here, so it's like a little stable. I do love that nice big tree piece though. That's cool. Got some water happening and a little pink fence area which partitions it off from our fire over here. A nice big fire pit, and the fire pit is not for roasting cookies. Apparently we get to roast marshmallows too. That's a really, really long stick for marshmallows. Oh, okay, I see. I understand why. So that you can actually put it on there and put it over our fire, which is now really, really tall. Okay, so that's going to keep her nice and warm, though she doesn't need to stay warm, really, does she? She's Elsa. More autumnal foliage on the top, and we get to plug this one in with an orange stalk, and I think we're pretty much done, except we have a brush for the feed bag. I think the reindeer would prefer something like this in the feed bag. So we'll put our spare stalk in there, and now we could settle. Elsa could go to sleep under here. We could even put her little... I could even take... I could take the rug off and put it under there, and she could sleep under there. Or she could just... She looks quite cozy under there, even without a rug. Except she has to share it with the reindeer, who also wants to eat her cookie. Oh my goodness, I told you this would be a fun set. Apart from the fact there's a baby reindeer. The colours in it are gorgeous, and there's so much going on in here that I have no idea what's happening. We got a present, we got a picnic, we got a stable, we got a wagon. I don't know what's happening, but it is very, very cute. Now, if you would like to see more videos where I just ramble all the time while I'm building Lego and playing with things, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and I will be back with a new one very, very soon. So until then, I'm going to be playing with the baby reindeer. Bye!